Hello everyone, I am Zara and you are watching Zara Crochet Artwork. Today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful and elegant strawberry stitch. Let's begin to start. We need two colors. You can use any color, but I am using two colors. For this I am using 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, a pair of scissors, a tapestry needle. Let's begin to start. First of all, we will make a slip knot as usual. Then for this stitch, we will need 4 multiple chains. I am going to make 16 chains, 2, 15 and 16. We will skip this first chain. In the second chain, we will make a single crochet. Then in the next stitch, make a single crochet. In the next stitch, single crochet. We will make single crochet across the chain. Make a chain and turn your work. We will make a single crochet into these 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. In the fourth stitch we will do 5 double crochet. 3, 4 and 5. Next 3 stitches we will make single crochet. 1, 2, 3 and in the fourth stitch we will make 5 double crochets. We will repeat this till the end of the row and we finish our second row. Then we will cut our yarn here and turn our work like this. Now we will change the color and in the first stitch we will make a single crochet. This is our third row. Make 3 single crochets, 1, 2 and 3. Then 5 double crochets all together. In the 5 stitches we will do 5 double crochets all together like this. We will finish all these stitches all together like this and make a chain here. Now we will extend our stitch and slip stitch in the end of this stitch like this. This is looking like this. Now 3 single crochets again, 5 double crochets together, 2, 3, 4, 5 and we will finish them all together and make a chain. Then extend your stitch and make a slip stitch. We will repeat this. In the fourth row we will make a slip knot. Then in the very first stitch we will make a single crochet, and in the second we will make 5 double crochets. One, two, three, 4 and 5. In the next stitch we will make a single crochet. Then we will skip the next stitch, and in the middle of this stem stitch we will make a single crochet. Then we will skip the longest stitch, and in the next stitch we will make a single crochet. Now 5 double crochets in the middle of the 3 single crochets. 3, 4, 5. Next stitch will be single crochet, skip one stitch, and the middle of the stem we will do a single crochet. Now skip the long, we will make a single crochet, and here we will cut our yarn. You can see the shape of strawberries looking like this. We'll make a single crochet, and in these 5 stitches we will make double crochet all together. Yarn over and pull through all these stitches like this and make a chain. We will extend our stitch and we will make a slip stitch here. Then make 3 single crochets. You can see how this is looking like strawberries. In the next 5 stitches make double crochets all together, and finish them all. Make a chain and then slip stitch here. 3 single crochets. We will do the procedure till the end of the row. I hope you will understand how to do this stitch. If you like, please subscribe my channel